Greetings, good loves. I am back with another wig review from NadulaHair, and look how cute this bag is. So let's get into some things. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, welcome. So the wig that I will be reviewing in this video is Nadula's YAKI Straight 7x5 bye-bye knots. It is their put and go glueless lace wig, and she is a light kinky straight texture. The packaging alone is just so gorgeous, and they really took their time with everything, and they also give you everything you will need for your install, including headbands, wig caps, brushes, even press-on nails, and I live for nails. And the tote bag is so adorable, you can literally rock it as a purse. So I'm getting ready to try on the wig, so I'm just going to tint the lace before I do so. And inside the cap construction, it comes with just with one comb in the back with no combs on the sides, but it came with an adjustable band for you to attach in your wig, that way you can customize it to your liking. So while the lace is drying, I'm just going to put a little bit of my makeup into my wig cap, that where everything can just blend in well. And this is the wig, and we got the adjustable band on, and she is feeling really snug. And just by having this adjustable band, you really don't need combs. This wig definitely feels like it's not going anywhere, and automatically, boom, the wig is on. Like, look how natural this wig looks. This literally looks like my hair as a silk press, or I have a relaxer. You can style this wig however you want, because you do get like a 7x5 closure space, so you can part her on each side or in the middle, or you can do a half up, half down a little bit with this wig. But I decided to go with a middle part, just so, because it's basically the straight out the box look, and I want to do this for the girlies that really are just looking for something glueless where they don't have to do much maintenance. So I'm just going to touch up the roots, add a little heat to the hair, and I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're interested in the wig that I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below for you to check out. So here's the finished look. The wig looks amazing. So freaking natural looking. I love how snug the wig feels. She's definitely big head friendly for all of my big head wig wearers, just like myself. And sometimes it's hard to come by a wig that actually fits our head properly. So thank you for that. And the lace looks so natural. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to pluck the wig. I didn't have to do anything. This wig is literally straight out the box. The only thing I did was just add a little heat and add some heat to the roots, and that was all. And shipping was also quick for me. I would say I got this wig less than a week, so I'll say about maybe 3 to 5 business days, maybe 7, depending on where you're at. And my favorite part about the unit is the texture of the wig. It's definitely given natural blowout or relaxed hair. Definitely recommend 10 out of 10. But that wraps up the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.